Hi, let's understand mutual fund portfolio analysis. When we invest in mutual funds, we try to invest in different types of mutual fund which have different categories. But when we invest in two separate mutual funds, there are chances that portfolio of both the mutual fund overlaps each other. Means if we read these lines, it says mutual fund portfolio overlap occurs when you invest in two or more different funds investing in the same assets. That means when you have invested in two or more different funds with the purpose of investing in separate categories. But when you have invested in funds, those funds are buying the same assets, that is, shares of a company are common in both the funds. You invest in various funds to diversify your investment portfolio. If the funds you invested in purchase the same assets, then your objective of diversifying the portfolio will not be served, as both the companies had invested in same shares. So your purpose is not solved of diversifying your funds. Let me give you an example. Consider the following example to understand better the scenario of mutual fund portfolio overlap. Like, you invest in ABC mutual fund, which predominantly invest in purchasing shares of the company XYZ. And to diversify your fund, you also invested in another mutual fund which is MFDEF, which also invest in the shares of the same company XYZ. Since both mutual funds ABC and DEF invested mostly in the shares of XYZ, they are said to be overlapping. So your shares are not diversified, your mutual funds are not diversified, as these both mutual funds have invested in same shares, that is XYZ. So the purpose of your diversifying your funds has not been solved. So what you have to do before investing into diversifying mutual funds, first you have to check that the funds in which I am investing, the mutual funds in which I am investing, do not overlap each other. So how would you check these uh, overlapping funds? What you have to do, you have to go to a simple website. Let me tell you, and go to that website. So this is this website advisorcoach.com. So you have to search advisorcoach.com and you have to come to this website. Then what you have to do is you have to click over these three bars. When you will click over them, there is an option of MF research. You have to click over that and you have to go down. When you will go down, there will be option mutual fund portfolio overlap. You have to click over this. Then you will have the option to see or to search two mutual fund and compare them. Like, if we have the option to select the category in whichever category you are investing. Like, if we select equity small cap, then we have fund 1 Axis small cap. Like, whatever fund you are investing in, you can type here, and then fund 2 DSP small capital fund, and then submit. When you will submit, it will come like this: portfolio holding as on 31st 5 2021, that on 35 sorry 31/05/2021 the holding of both the portfolios are showing like this. And you will see a graph, portfolio overlap graph, like this, like what percentage both the mutual funds are sharing is common or overlapping. So this is showing from blue color, average portfolio overlap 4.5%, and known overlap is like whatever coming in green portion, that is 95.5%. When you click over see common stock across in two mutual funds, there will be a list which will show that how much shares they are having common in them. Like, IPCA Laboratories Limited are common in both the mutual funds, and it is also showing percent of their investment in these shares. Like, Axis small cap capital fund holding has invested only 0.86%, and DSP small cap fund holding has invested 3.5% in IPCA Laboratories. So in this way you can compare, and you will, when you will click over show full holdings, it will show that whatever shares they have uh, invested in. So you can compare like this and see how much which mutual fund has invested in which share, so that you can compare and decide whether you want to invest it in these shares or not. So in this way you can compare both the mutual funds, whichever mutual funds you are investing in, and then you can take your decision so that your investment do not overlap each other, as the purpose of investing in separate mutual fund will not be solved. So this is how you can check that your mutual fund do not overlap each other, and you can take a good decision of investing in diversified mutual funds. So this is all for this video. If you like it, please do like it and share with your friends who are investing in mutual funds, and uh, at the end they are investing in overlapping mutual funds, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.